Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Daniel and here I have another 5th grade worksheet for you guys. Here we have negative multiplication and division review. Now some points to remember. When you multiply a negative number by a negative number, the result will be positive. When you multiply a negative number by a positive number, the result will be negative. When you divide a negative number by a negative number, the result will be positive. And when you divide a negative number by a positive number, the result will be positive. Now this should be fairly easy since this is a review, meaning you guys have already covered this and you should know this already. So none of you should have too much trouble. So let's move along to percents review. Convert the following into a percent. Remember, move the decimal 2 times to the right. Now this is again a review and I'm sure that you guys have worked with percents before. But in case you need a reminder, to convert a fraction into a percent, you first need to convert it into a decimal. And you do that by dividing the numerator by the denominator. And then once you have it in decimal form, all you have to do is move the decimal point 2 times to the right. And there's your percent. Alright, now let's get to the negative numbers redux. Negative numbers are smaller than 0. Some points to remember. When you add a negative number, you are basically subtracting. When you subtract a negative number, you are basically adding. 0 is neither a positive nor negative number. If you draw a number line, negative numbers will be to the left of 0. The rightmost number on the number line will be the largest. So what this is saying is that negative 4 is smaller than negative 1. Now, you guys have been working with negative numbers already, so this shouldn't be too much of a challenge for you guys. It's basically just summing up everything about negative numbers. And if you get confused, just take a step back and look at what the equation is saying. The parentheses around the numbers is just to separate the two signs when there's a negative number. Like here, for example. So don't get confused by that. It doesn't mean anything. It's just so that people don't get confused. Now, lastly and most certainly least, we have the word problems. These are the same kinds of word problems you guys get each week, so you should know how these work by now. Just try them to the best of your ability, and if there's anything that you have trouble on, just skip it and move on. That's all I have for you guys this week. Keep up with the good work, and I'll see you guys next week.